There are three main ways to use n8n. One is on their website, but it is not free. There is a free trial version, and you can do that. The second one is you can install it on your local system, and I will show you in this video how to do that, which is a good method. But if you are doing automations that have to run continuously, this may not be a good option because it is running on your computer and it has to always be on for it to do that specific automation. So you need to look at that option. But the third and the most viable option right now is creating a VPS on any specific domain where you have a virtual server where you are hosting n8n and it is running 24/7, and it's online cloud server which is 100% uptime, and every automation that you are doing is working. Today what we're going to do is to show you how to install it on your specific system. So let me quickly share my screen. See, the option is if you go to this command prompt, and there is an option of npm n8n. Let me just check the code here. Install n8n locally. There is a very good website in doc n8n where, okay, sorry for that, it is npm install, not, I forgot the word install. So it is going to do some couple of steps here. This is one way of doing it. The problem with this is the dependencies have an issue. You need to install a few frameworks. You need to make sure that everything your computer is has the latest frameworks, the latest Java requirements, and it is an option to do that. So most of the time, if you're just running a command prompt, this application, it may work, but some of the time it does not work because of all the dependencies of your computer. The other very good option is to use Docker Desktop. So Docker Desktop, what it does, it installs this in a specific Docker or a container in your system, and it is able to do that. So let me just control C this, because this will take time and this is not that efficient way of doing it. I just wanted to show you as well. See, it is you will see the error later. But here if I go to Docker, you go to the images that are there, you see n8n, it is there. If you are doing it for the first time, you just need to go to images and add. I will show you how to add one as well. Let me just go to images. Let me just first run it for you. Just if I click run, I have to make sure that this is the host port is 56878. This is the one that is already there. So just let me just click play. Let me just do run, and it is going to run in a couple of seconds. If you can see, it's how fast it is. If you could see the speed of this particular thing, it is running in my local host, and I have to just make sure that I add the local host in this particular thing as well. 5678. Let me go back to my Docker Compose. Let me just stop it. Let me again go back to images, click run, optional setting, make sure that my port is 568. Better to put the port name here so that it is we are able to get it, or it is HTTPS. I just have to look at the documentation. Ideally it should work. Localhost 567. I think I need to put the whole thing. Wow, yes, now it came. So it is asking up for sign up. That is there, that you need to sign up, and just do the specific sign up with your name and password. So you should remember the password, and next. So it is asking about myself. I will just say get started. I'll just skip for now. So now this is my n8n. So this is working on my local host. This is one of the best ways of using it, free way of using it. So if you want to look at, there are some templates. If you go to personal, you can try a pre-built this thing, pre-built agent. So there are so many agents that are there. Let us just play around because I don't want to do with any other thing right now. This is just to show you a demo. I'll just do a joke agent. So I just took it, but can you see one thing here, that it is asking for model. So model is something, this is something that you need to add. It's also giving you how to do this specific thing. So if you see this, there is an option of right click, then I did open. Here you need to put your settings, you need to create new credentials, you need to give your OpenAI key. This is most important thing that you need to do for your n8n, because without key, how will you be able to connect to OpenAI? So this is something that if you guys don't have the key, please look at my other videos where I've explained how to load the key, as well as get some money. You need to put $5. It's not free. $5 works with for approximately 1 or 2 months that are there. So I have saved this. If you can see, could not save this. Let me just do it again. Let me just save it again, retry. Okay, connection. Let me just try it again. OpenAI connection. Okay, settings, parameters, add options. Okay, let us try parameter. What is it? Error. Setting. Okay, I think let us see. Chat model. Okay, connect with. Okay, so let us now let us try quickly again. I think there is some issue in the key. It is not picking it up properly. Settings, open, no property. These are some of the settings. Parameters, open account, execute step. So let us see if it is working. So now how to make this work? So let us see, there is an option here. When I want to run this, tell a joke. So once the message is received, it goes here. So there is a problem of the credentials. So incorrect API key. So it has not taken my API key. Let me just go back inside and fix this option. Deactivate, activate, open, and let me edit this. Okay, save. Connection with this, more details, retry. Organizational base URL is version 1, sharing. Could not connect, more details. Please check your credentials. Am I doing something wrong with my credentials? Let me just check this here. They are not able to retry. I think let me create a new key. Let me just create a new key to get this done, because sometimes if the key is not working, it will give it. So it's a good thing that I have come here. I will just go to the settings, API key. Let me just delete this, okay, create a new key, test, all. I will just keep it all for now. Project TDS, create secret key. If this does not work, then I have to see what can I do here, and go back to my workflow. Let me close it again, edit, or maybe it's because of some, see, it's not getting saved here. See, could not connect with these settings, save. Okay, now the connection, so something was wrong with my key, so it happens. So now you can do this. Let us click this and let us see how it does it. No thanks. So authorization failed, logs, back to canvas, tell me a joke. So now you can see it is working. It goes back to this memory, it goes to the joke API. If you can see, again it come back to the memory, and now it is okay. What has happened to my your profile billing? I think there is some issue with the n8n OpenAI rate limit, because I have, you see the money I have. Let me try again. Oops, it looks like a bit of hiccup. So now everything is working. So rate limit and all, it happens first time when I'm using the API key, it is happening. So you saw in this use case how I set it up, how I used it. I started playing around with just the agent and run these things. What you can do is you can also schedule this to run specific tasks. You can see what all has happened. So this is the start of the n8n, and today I showed you the second part, how to download it. If you see the command prompt, this is the problem when you are installing from the command prompt. If you see, you needed to look for 236 packages that are looking for funding. So better when you have to install, you go and first install Docker Compose, and after you install Docker Compose, you can just take an image from the Docker Compose, like go to an image and search for a specific image. Like if you want to install Olama, first you need to go to containers, inside. Okay, let us go inside images, my hub. Don't go to local, I think go to images. If you want to search new one, then you can go to Docker Hub, and then you can search for Olama. So you can see Olama is 10 million plus. You just click Olama, and then you can do a pull. You do a pull and then you can run it on your local system. So this is a very good way of doing it. Similarly for n8n also you can do this as well. This is in my local system. If you want to install any new one, you go to the Docker Hub, select for n8n as well, and then you will be able to see 100 million plus downloads of n8n has happened through Docker desktop. That is the reason why, because it is taking care of all the headache of the packages, the dependencies, as you can see in the previous screenshot that I had given. So if you want to really use it on your local, this is a very good way to start using it. You saw what I did here in this quick use case, and you can play around, you can add more details, you can check more things. There are videos here to also give you some idea how to get further. So thank you very much, and keep playing around with n8n and share your learnings in the chat. If not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so, and see you in the next video.